Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Guys, for today's video, I just want to grant the request of Mr. Frank Janvari. He is an American who is always following my channel, and he requested me how to make fitted jeans from regular fit jeans. So guys, I've been looking for a while for these pants because I have all my pants are already fitted, so I don't need to alter it. So I need to look for regular fit jeans and to have this film. So Mr. Frank Janvari, shout out to you and thank you so much for waiting this for so long. So guys, yung suot ko ngayon is the regular fit jeans. At ito nga ay nabili ko sa ukay-ukay para mag-grant ko yung request sa akin ni Mr. Frank Janvari. Kung mapapansin nyo yung tie ay fitted na, so I decided to alter the lower part of this pants. So guys, I will show you how and what is my procedure on altering this kind of pants. So guys, first thing to do, we have to get the pants length. So from here, from my waist going to my ankle, and then get the measurement, so which is 32. So guys, my pants length is 32. So from here at the top of the band, I have to get the exact measurement of 32 inches. So this is here. Remove the top stitch on the inseam parts of pants up to the desired part of alteration, but note that it is only applicable for a single top stitching pants. So only from here, because this part is already fitted for me, so I need to start my alteration from here. Put marking on the other side to make it even when it comes to sewing. Measure the remaining width and then less the 11 inches that I need for my leg opening. So 14 less 11 will be 3 inches, and the 3 inches will be divided into 2 both sides. So I need 1.5 to recut. So guys, before we proceed to sewing, I need to explain first what kind of thread that I will use. And this original one is ragged thread with mustard color, which is the same on what I have now. So this is ragged thread and the color is mustard. So guys, after top stitching of the inseam, i-close naman natin ngayon yung side seam. So, both sides, we have to close it. And then, check if the bottom is balanced or in the same width. So, this is okay. Last thing to do is the bottom hemming. So guys, alteration done, and if you notice, this is the previous width of pants, and this is now the altered width of pants. Of the alteration, which is the regular fit jeans, turn into fitted jeans. So this is guys. So guys, that's it for today, at sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aking pinakita, at sana nakatulong din ito dun sa mga gustong mag-alter ng kanilang mga pants at dun din sa gustong kumita. Thank you so much also to Mr. Frank Janvari for requesting this video. So guys, thank you for watching and thank you for supporting my channel. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you like this video. Till again next time. Bye-bye.